We typically devour it rapidly. Did that not give us a poor way of life? Many people nowadays who are aware of this truth are drawn to eating traditional foods that were once consumed by others. I am a citizen of Sri Lanka and have probably heard many tales about our country. Additionally, we are aware of your ongoing search for the traditional cuisine recipes of our ancestors. I'm happy to share with you the age-old cuisine recipes of our ancestors through this channel. At this moment launched my channel, I lacked a camera. There isn't anything I can buy. You can learn how to cook Asian traditional recipes on this channel. I look forward to purchasing a camera in the future. That gave us a bad way of life, didn't we? Nowadays, many people who have understood this fact are inclined to eat Asian traditional food that was used by other people. As another country citizen, you have heard many stories about Sri Lanka. Also, we know that you are constantly looking for the traditional food recipes of our ancestors. Through this channel I welcome to you the traditional food recipes of our ancestors. I don't have a camera at this time of starting this channel. There is no asset to buy. This channel will tell you how food recipes are prepared. As soon as I buy a camera in the future, I look forward to presenting it to you in the most beautiful way with videos. Kindly request to subscribe this channel as primary aim is AdSense.